What's up guys, today's video is on the best stick welder. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Forney 291 Easy Weld. Forney Easy Weld 180. St. Forney Easy Weld 180 Street is a compact powered by an inverter DC stick welder that comes with DC TIG welding capabilities. It's been designed specifically with power generators in mind, and it is tolerant to dirty power fluctuations that occur for generators. It's a dual voltage machine that is plugged into either a 120 voltage or 240 volt power source. Forney designed the Easy Weld 180 Street arc welder that has a high-frequency TIG torch that is a lift type to prevent the contamination of the tungsten element and to reduce the amount of consumables consumed. However, you must purchase the TIG torch as well as the gas regulator separately in order to perform TIG welding. The machine doesn't work with a pedal for foot control. The arc welder TIG has an extremely wide range of 10 to 180 amp current output. Its Forney Easy Weld 180 Street is capable of welding at up to a half-thick steel, even when it weighs only 14 pounds. The fine 10 amp maximum limit is perfect to weld up to 18 gauge sheets of metal for bodywork on autos. This Forney Easy Weld 180 Street is covered by a 5-year warranty. Number 2. Hobart Stickmate 160i Arc Welder. Hobart is among the most enduring American welding brands that is renowned for its robust construction and outstanding performance. Its Hobart Stickmate 160i delivers good performance. However, it must be noted that this model is made in China. Hobart guarantees its customers that the product is up to Hobart's strict standards. A few buyers have pointed out that they can purchase a Chinese stick welder at less than half the cost of Hobart. What the Chinese brand doesn't have is a network of nationwide dealers as well as service centers. Customers are raving about Hobart Stickmate 160i for its smooth performance. Hobart Stickmate 160i for smooth performance. Hobart's extended warranty demonstrates its faith in the quality of its products. Inverter power ensures that the Stickmate 160i at a weight of less than 20 pounds and is light enough to travel around the workplace using its adjustable shoulder strap. Full review here. The Hobart Stickmate 160i comes with an adjustable current dial that is infinitely variable and allows you to alter the output with increments as small as 1 amp. It can run 120 volts or 240 voltages. Its Hobart Stickmate 160i is convenient and robust. It can weld as thick as 3/8 inch stainless steel, and the selection of options available goes down to 20 amps. Number 3. Lincoln Electric AC 225 Welder. Its Lincoln AC 225 AC arc welder is the top-selling product of Lincoln Electric in the history of the company. There are numerous examples of work that have run for a long time. It is a well-known, durable-made, well-constructed welder that brings you the best bacon. Lincoln's smooth arc technology makes it easier to start than other AC welders and ensures the best quality of the arc. Although the machine isn't equipped with any modern bells and whistles as contemporary machines, its basic design allows it to withstand the abuse of a workplace. This Lincoln AC 225 AC arc welder is constructed using the power of a transformer instead of the more modern inverter technology, which makes it virtually impossible to be wrong. However, it does make the model quite heavy, but with a weight of 99 pounds. This Lincoln AC 225 AC arc welder is believed by a lot of professional welders to be among the greatest welders made. It has a large number of enthusiastic owners, as well as an outstanding reputation in the field. It's capable of welding from 1/16 inch to 1/4 inch thick plates of steel. Its controls are easy to use, and it's made in America and ISO 9001 certified. If you're okay with the weight, it's a great bargain. Number 4. Weld TIG 225X Welding Machine. The Weld TIG 225X welder is a renowned AC/DC TIG welder that has advanced capabilities, such as the ability to function as a DC stick welder. It is a dual voltage welder that operates on 120 or 244 volts. It comes with a 12.5-foot electrode clamp that is used for the stick welder, which is also known as manual metal arc or MMA welding. The ground lead length is 12.5 feet too. If used with the stick setting, the Weld TIG 225X can produce 120 amps from 12 volts. When it's running at 120 volts, you'll have 180 amps available. This kind of juice can weld plates up to 3/8 inches at 180 amps and 1/4 inch at 140 amps. Lower limits of just 10 amps for any source allow you to weld sheet metal of 24 gauge with an extremely thin stick in the correct settings. Of course, when it comes to sheets of metal, TIG is the king, and Weld TIG 225X is at its best for the job. The Weld TIG 225X has the latest AC TIG features like pulse width modulation CK17 torch and an AC balance feature that allows you to alter the amount of time that is spent on every phase of an AC cycle, as well as cleaning any impurities in the weld puddle. Number 5. Everlast Power Arc Stick Welder. The Everlast Power Arc 160 STH is a robust and light DC stick welder with both arc welding as well as DC TIG options. This machine features a dual voltage input that lets users plug in either the power of your home shop at 120 volts or use the more robust outlets that are 240 volts. The machine is equipped with an adjustable shoulder strap that makes it more comfortable to move when working and frees your hands to manage cables and other equipment. It's the Everlast Power Arc 160 STH comes with an 8-foot electrode clamp as well as a 12-foot TIG torch and an argon regulator. The only drawback to this model from a TIG perspective is it's incompatible with a TIG foot pedal to control heat. Instead, Everlast's exclusive SV17 TIG torch has a hand-operated variable heating control. With a wide output range of 10 to 160 amps, the Everlast Power Arc 160 STH is quite versatile, capable of welding thin sheet metal, ranging from 18 gauge through a half-inch thick plate. The case comes with a carry-on bag for the TIG torch as well as accessories. Everlast offers a 5-year warranty with this Power Arc 160 STH. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.